Hi everyone, my name is Daily Malinga aka Mamzobe from Umkok. Guys, there are awards happening in Kenya called Women in Media. I am nominated for African Female Actress of the Year. I just received an email last month and I was invited. You know what it means? Guys, I don't know. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. I wish I could tell everyone that, hey, Ziakipa, it's happening. Ngati cake, ngati John, ngati cake, ngati John. But I need to be there. Yeah, it means a lot to him. I'm representing the country, not just South African female, not just KZN female or Umlazi female actress. No, African Female Actress of the Year. Guys, Africa is big. I'm going to African states to represent South Africa, my country. Guys, I feel honored. It's so big. I don't even know when they chose me, when they were going through names. Guys, I'm going there to represent my country. I feel so honored. It's all because of you at home who were watching the show. Guys, thank you so much. Please just vote for me. And you can use my Capitec account number because they said all the logistics are on me. Sadly, I don't have money. I wish I could go there. Guys, I'm trying everything. I sent so many emails to different people, but at the moment, yeah. But anyway, I know now when I'm taking this to you, you will do something. I need to get flights from King Shaka International to Johannesburg, from Johannesburg to Kenya, and coming back. I need to get meal allowance when I'm there. I need to pay for my visa, which is 30 USD. I need to pay for a tour guide that they chose for us. I need to go there. It's from the 24th of March till the 1st. Yeah, the 1st of April. Yes. So that means it's just 6 days. Please, guys, I need donations here. Let me put it that way. I'm humbly asking all of you guys. You can use my Capitec account under DC Malinga. The account number, let me tell you now. My account number is 1560 726 103. 1560 726 103. Please, this would be like a dream come true. Guys, a dream come true. Going to African states to represent my country. Please, guys, please. This was just my first attempt as a lead. First attempt as a lead. And it has earned me so many hours locally. Now going out.
Hi bazala wakamzitho, that is uMamzobe. Her real name is Udeli Wakamalinga. So she is basically asking for donation so that she can attend our ceremony that will be held in Kenya, guys. She's nominated there. Yes, and she is talented, guys. I must say she's talented, but I didn't know good. Lento yama-celebrities, South African celebrities, nje bayithatha apho ukuthi whenever they want something, guys, they will just nje ask for donation. Hayi guys, mina just feel as if it's wrong. Yes guys, bakhona abantu who I feel like yibo mina ngabe bacela ama-donations ayi-student. Bazala bamzitho, this person bengasebenza manje, we know that umkhokha uphelile, but bagcina ukushutha ngo-October, November, so uholile then, so akanama-savings. Akanabangani bakhe bangamcela. I mean like abo-producer abo-what bomkhokha ngeke bakwazi ukuthi bamdonate-ele. Why kumele adonate-ele amanye abantu? But-ke kuzabe ngathi sibhitha. Bazali bamzitho, that is uMamzobe asking for ama-donation ukuthi ayolanda i-award lakhe eKenya. But as from uMagatsheni, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.